Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. In today's video, we'll discuss a very intense topic. It's a topic of which are the habits which will ensure that you become not a very successful person, which will rather destroy you. So it's going to be a little harsh video, but I hope you will stick with me till the end of this video because this is for the betterment of you and me. So without a further ado, let's get to the point. The number one bad habit which will destroy you completely is the habit of being on social media. I know a lot of youngsters, a lot of teenagers these days, and not only teenagers, maybe a lot of seniors also have this habit of always going through the social media feed whenever they are bored, whenever they are free. And according to a recent research which I came across while I was preparing for this particular video, I read that an average human being spends close to 2.5 hours of his daytime using social media. So it's a huge time. I mean, you can watch a movie in this particular time. You can complete probably one session at your workout or probably two sessions at your workout. Not just that, if at all you want to watch any particular documentary, you can do that. You can probably talk to your mentor. You can invest that time in learning a new skill, a new habit, or probably cooking. It can be anything. So basically, instead of using social media, why don't you use that particular time for your betterment? Why don't you learn a new skill? Or why don't you try working out? Why don't you try learning a new language? Because the better things you learn, which it will eventually help you not just becoming a better version of yourself, but will also make you a more productive person and also will in turn increase your income as well. The next bad habit which will definitely destroy you is the habit of overthinking. We all have this tendency that whenever we are having any particular situation, when we are waiting for a reply from someone, especially when we send out our job applications, we have this habit of, you know what, this person has seen my application and it's like still 24 hours he has not responded. Maybe I will not get this job. Why do you want to think like that? Maybe that particular person is still thinking whether what kind of role we can offer this particular person and also what kind of salary will this particular person be expecting. So maybe they might be thinking about that aspect. So whenever you are thinking something, try and think positive and try and avoid overthinking as much as possible. The third habit which will definitely destroy you is the habit of staying up at late. I know so many of my friends who are bachelors, who are not staying with their family in Bangalore, and they still have this habit of by the time they go to sleep, they still have their phones in their hands, and even before they go to sleep, they still keep that screen right in front of their eyes and they keep scrolling their Instagram feed. And because of that, they're not able to get proper sleep. Their sleep quality is not good, and which in return will not help them become a healthier version of themselves in terms of the next day they will feel little more lethargic because their body has not taken proper rest, their mind has not taken proper rest, and because of which they will not be productive at their work. And if they are not productive at their work, they'll not be able to deliver the deadlines on time, and they'll also not be able to make more money in their work as well, which in return will make them an unhappier person, probably an unhappier version of themselves. So if you want to become a productive person, you should try and get at least 8 to 7 hours of sleep every night without fail, which will ensure that you wake up very fresh and also your energy levels will be very high the next day. The fourth bad habit which will definitely destroy you is the habit of staying around negative people. I know I've said this a lot of time in my videos that you are the average of 5 people you hang out with the most. So if the 5 people that you spend your time with the most are negative people who are pessimistic, who are always cribbing about their life, who are cribbing about their job, who are cribbing about their relationships, these kind of people will instill their negative energies in your body, in your mindset, which will in turn make you a negative person as well. So nobody wants to hang around with a negative person. So if you want to become that popular guy or that popular girl who everybody talks about, who everybody wants to spend time with, you should be the most popular and the most positive version of yourself. So to do that, you will have to cut down all these negative people who are there in your life, because these people will suck your energy and will help you not achieve your dreams. So if you want to become a person who is successful, or if you want to become the next Elon Musk, maybe the person who is currently the richest person in the world right now, you have to become a person who is extremely positive, extremely visionary, and a person who follows his gut and his willpower. The fifth bad habit which will definitely destroy you is the habit of living in the past. We all have memories. Some of them might be good memories, some of them might be bad memories, some of them might be very scary memories. But the reason we should not be thinking about the past is because see, there was a very popular dialogue in the movie Kung Fu Panda: past is history, future is mystery. Today is your gift, and that's why it's called present. You should always live in present. You should always be optimistic about your future, and you should always be happy. The reason why most people are not doing well in their life is because they're always looking back. They're always looking at their past. And if at all you keep looking back, you'll not be able to reach the finish line of your life, the finish line of achieving financial freedom, the finish line of probably achieving the best physical version of yourself, a finish line of probably making a lot of more money than you're currently making. So if you want to become a better version of yourself, you should always look forward and just like a horse, you should have like the horse vision, and you should always keep looking forward irrespective of what the situation is and irrespective of what the people around you are talking about you. The last most bad habit which will definitely destroy you is the habit of constantly eating unhealthy. We all, especially the bachelors who are not staying with their parents, have this habit of probably ordering food from online or probably ordering food from the nearby restaurant. And most of the cases, these particular food which we eat from outside is not very healthy, especially in today's time. It is suggested that you should always eat something which is well cooked, especially that the bird flu and also is like very prominent nowadays. It's suggested that you should always cook healthy and you should eat healthy, because what you feed your body will in turn feed your brain. And also, if you're eating healthy, you'll be able to think positive, you'll be able to think productive, and you'll be able to utilize your energies in the right direction. If you keep eating unhealthy, it will not only make you lethargic, it will also make you a little more obese. It will also invite a lot of diseases and injuries as well also in your life. So if you want to become a healthier version, you should always try and eat the right kind of food, and not only the food that you eat, but also the food that you feed your brain. You should always feed your brain also the right kind of energies, the right kind of information, because if your brain is healthy, you'll be able to think better and you'll be able to do your work in a much more productive and effective manner. So if you liked this video, if you enjoyed the entire concept that we discussed over here, please like this video as well. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from IndianMoney.com's Money Doctor show. And if you want to learn more about personal finance, you can always download the Financial Freedom app. The link of that app is provided in the description box. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.